Hi guys, just a quick introduction of the newest member of my motorcycle family. It is a 1978 GS750. It is of course used. It's got some miles on it. I picked it up from a young man who apparently was gifted it by a family member, and he passed it on to me at a very reasonable price. However, there's a lot of unknowns about this motorcycle. Since he owned it, all he did was a seal replacement for the front forks, and then he added some oil to the engine and he replaced the rear tire. Other than that, that was it. So this motorcycle is more a surprise than anything, but it was running at one time. We'll see if we can get it running again. It's obviously going to be a project bike. If you're familiar with the GS750s, please leave some comments or some feedback or advice below. I appreciate any help you guys can offer me. Thanks guys. Hi guys, Tom here. I was just running through the motorcycle, pulling out the old battery since it was pretty much dead. And I found something a little bit of surprise, and I thought, what a cool little game I can put together for you guys. Guess how many critter nests I found inside this motorcycle? Let's see. Now with the motorcycle seat open, I got access to the battery and pulled out the old battery. And when I started looking to see if anything I was missing, I'd found a little storage compartment back here. I thought, was it possible the original manual and tools are in here? No, I found a bunch of seeds. It looks like we have now one critter nest inside this motorcycle. Let's see if there's any other critter nests inside the motorcycle. The next obvious spot will be the airbox. All right, so we're over on the airbox side. In order to get to the airbox, I believe you have to remove this side panel. Nope, I don't see any critters in here. Now, the airbox. Wow. Let me get you a closer view. It appears something was living in there. That looks like the original air filter. I'm going to have to replace that, and of course clear out all the extra junk. So far, this is now the second nest I found on this motorcycle. I've looked around to see other obvious spots, but if there's a surprise, I'll add an additional video to this. Thanks for playing along.